So we will go with the next object, that is opportunity. Okay, I will not be explaining each and all objects because we have lots of objects, right? So same thing will be applicable, but we have to customize the object according to our business requirement. So last object I will explain about the opportunity. So you can see here opportunity object we have. If you want to create a new record, so from here you can do that. And if you want to do some customization, like if you want to create any field or anything, any layout, record type, or validation rule, anything, so you can go to the setting icon, and after setting we have object manager, and under object manager we have opportunity. Okay, here we have opportunity object. So it will display the basic detail about the opportunity, like what will be the API name and all. Okay, and if I will go to this field and relationships, we can create any field, or we can update any existing fields. Like suppose I have created this DB competitor, right? Competitor. So if you want to change the name of the DB competitor, so you can go to this field and you can update that. Okay, so updating field will create multiple challenges. Like if you are creating a field API name, okay, so in that case, it will trigger lots of validation, because that we might have multiple records or linking for that field, right? So if you are updating any API name, so that will throw an error, and it will ask to remove from those linked items. Okay, so better uh, we don't update any API name. If there is any requirement for updating the label, so we can update this label. Okay, so it happens sometime, business had created a field in starting with a different name, and they want to change the name. So instead of modifying each and everything, we directly update the label, so that on the UI it will be visible like that, and there will be no impact in the backend. Okay, so from here you can create new field. If you want to create, if you want to delete, then you can delete any field. Okay, so any doubt about the field?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. If no, then I will go to the page layout. So here under page layout, whatever the standard or custom layout will be there, so those will appear here. Okay, so okay, so page layout, all the page layout related to opportunity will appear here, and we can update as per our need. Or if I want to create any new page layout for opportunity, so we have option for creating page layout. Or if I want to do the reassignment of the page layout, so here we have option for page layout assignment. Lightning record page, if you have any lightning record page, that will appear here. If you want to create any new, so here we have option for creating a new lightning record page. Or if you want to do the page like lightning page assignment, so here we have this view page assignment, and you can modify from there. Whatever the buttons, a standard or custom button will be there, button link and action, so those will appear here, and we can customize any button according to our need. So like here we have all buttons. If I want to create a new button or new action, so here we have option for new action or new button. Compact layout, if you want to change anything in the compact layout, so you can update from here and make sure to update the correct compact layout. Okay, and how we can check which layout has been assigned. So here we have compact layout assignment. Right now we have only two. Suppose we have five compact layout. How you can identify? Right. So here we have compact layout assignment, or once you will edit, then here also it will come for the reassignment. Fields next is field sets. Whatever the field sets you will be creating, so those will appear here. Okay, and here we have option for creating a new field set. So from here you can object limit. If you want to check, so those will appear under this object limit. And I have already explained that these count is less because of we are using developer, or for the live org the count will be different. Okay, so if you are working on opportunity object, and if you have multiple record types, so those you can customize from here. If we have only one, then well and good. If we have multiple, then we can come to this record type and we can create or assign. Okay. So whatever the record type you will create, so for each record type you must have to assign a specific page layout. Okay, so here we have page layout assignment. If we have any related lookup filter, those will appear here under this related lookup filter section. Search layout. Uh, so if you want to modify anything in search layout, so you can do from here. Suppose I want to add some extra field, or if I want to remove some field, so you can customize from here. List view button layout. So if you want to add any new button or existing standard button in this list view, so those you can update from here. Open and queue new from document, it's already added. So if I will go to opportunity, all opportunity, so as of now we have these standard buttons: open and queue, import, new, printable view, and if I want to create any new, then here we have option for creating a new button. Okay. Object access I have already explained. Same thing will come here. You just have to edit and see whatever the access we have. Coming to the trigger. So whatever the trigger we have created, so those will appear under this triggers for this opportunity object. Okay, and if you want to create a new, so here we have option for creating a new button. Flow trigger. If you want to create any flow triggers, so you can create from here. Validation rule. We normally add multiple validation rule on each object, because validation rule allow us to enter the specific data. Like if you are creating a account number field, okay, and that account number field should contain only 15 characters, or we can have multiple criteria, like it should not accept less than 15 characters and greater than 15 characters. Okay, so we can create a validation rule on that account number field. and it will apply whenever we will create any record. Suppose I want that account number should be only numeric, so we can create a validation rule for that, and whenever anyone will put any text value, then it will trigger the validation error, and it will not allow us to save the record. So all the validation rules we can create from here. Conditional field formatting we have. So whatever the option, whatever the field formatting we will have, so those will appear here. So this is all about the setup of this opportunity object. I will go to the record and I will create a new. So like here we have all opportunities. So whatever the list view you will have for this opportunity object, so those will appear here. So all opportunities, suppose I'm going. So here we don't have any record as per the filter, so that's why it's not coming. Suppose I want to create a new record, so I will just create opportunity name, just opportunity. If I want to link with any account, here we have option because this opportunity is linked with account object, so that's why it's coming. And close date, suppose I want to give any future close date. The stage I just want to put as prospecting, and I will just put the required value and I will save it. So we have created this opportunity record. Okay. So if you want to see the details, here under details sections, under details tab, we have all those data. And if I want to modify anything, we can do that. So whatever the related object will be there, so those will appear here. Okay, so here under related section, you can see we have all the related objects, and we can see the data, or we can update from like we can create a record as well as per the need. Okay, so another section we have activity and chatter. So activity I have already explained as part of other objects. So same thing will apply here as well. Log a call, new task, new event, email. Okay. Under chatter, we have the same thing. If you want to post anything on this opportunity, you can write here. Okay. Or if there will be any activity, so those will appear here. If you want to create a poll, then you can create. If you want to post a question, so you can post here. Okay. Suppose I want to change the status of this opportunity. We just have to go and select any status from here, and you can mark it as current stage. So it will change the status. Or you can also directly go to this status field and click on this pencil icon, and here we from here we can select any value and save it. Okay, and now if I will go to this chatter, so those things will appear here.
Is it possible to go back in a previous state?
Previous stage of status, yeah, we can either suppose I'm going to this qualification, mark as a current. So now the status is at this stage is qualification. Even though if you refresh this, then the qualification will come. So you can change the status, I mean the stage. Now it's qualification, right? Suppose I am changing it to value proposition, Margaret current status. Now its value got changed, right? If I want to degrade the status, I can. Suppose I am moving back to the prospecting. I will just mark it as prospecting, and now the status got changed. And same thing you will get under this chatter. Okay. Any doubt in opportunity?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you.